Welcome to our foundation channel. From class 9, the chapter number 7 is quadrilaterals. So to improve the basic skills, especially in this chapter, from this class, so 4-5 important skills are explained. So based on that, you can do any numerical problems or property based questions from these quadrilaterals you'll understand in the regular syllabus, right? So every concept, few sums I'll explain, remaining you can get the PDF or worksheets from the link in description below. From that you can practice. First important skill you need to know in this syllabus is classification of quadrilaterals. So types of quadrilaterals, right? So quadrilaterals having four sides. Sum of the angle in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. It's a four sides. And based on the size of the sides or properties of the sides, we have the names. Trapezoid, only one pair is parallel, other two are non-parallel, so it's a trapezoid. And one pair is parallel if other two are equal is a isosceles trapezoid, right? And both the pairs opposite sides are equal and parallel, so it's a parallelogram. And if a same parallelogram property, if every angle is 90 degrees, is a rectangle. Next, kite is adjacent sides. Only two pair of adjacent sides are equal. So these two are equal and these two are equal. Only one opposite angles. So you are set. And if you join two diagonals, so they are perpendicular to each other, even in this kite. And rhombus is all the sides are equal. Same like parallelogram properties, all the sides are equal here. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. And if every angle is 90 degrees, it's a square. So you know the shapes and names already learned. So based on this, I'm giving some worksheet questions. You need to fill up this entire. So diagrams I'm giving in this worksheet. So depending on the property, you can write the names. So for example, first one, every angle is 90 degrees. Four sides are equal, they measure, no, like this. So that's why it's a square, right? Same way, this symbol is the parallel lines. These two are parallel lines, other two are not equal. So it's a trapezium or trapezoid. So both are same. So I'm not writing everything, just based on the properties. If nothing is there, just only write a quadrilaterals other than this 7. If anything is there, it's only write the quadrilateral. So this is the first skill you should learn. Then once perfect all the properties of each and every quadrilateral, then you can start the questions and see the basic questions in these quadrilaterals. Once perfect the concepts, then next skill you need to improve in angles in a quadrilaterals. Already we discussed sum of the angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. Sum of the four angles in a quadrilateral is 360. Which angle is missed? So this is missed, let be x. So account the property, this x plus 118 plus 72 plus 116 is equal to 360 degrees. So x plus these three angles you can add, that is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, normal addition. Just only out of four angles. If any one angle is missed, we can find out the basic skill in this. Just that is a finding the fourth angle in the quadrilateral. So 118, 72, 116. You can do add and write and subtract from the 360. This is 16 and 8, 9, 10, 3. So 306. Therefore, x is equal to 360 minus 306. Right, 54. So the value which is missed is 54 here. Right, so this property apply, and some questions if they mention this symbol, this is the 90 degrees. 90 plus 90, 180 plus 105 plus this angle P is equal to 360. So rest of the problems, not only this, similar problems also I am giving some different way. You can need to practice from the worksheets. Okay, next same like page number 3, 4 I am giving some questions. And another type of questions you need to improve in this basic skill is solve for x. That is linear equation you have to make by seeing the question. So this is 90 degrees. For example, question number 7 is x, y, z, w. So this is the quadrilateral. Sum of the four angles is 360 degrees. So which are those four are 92 plus 90 plus 88 plus again 12x minus 6. is equal to 360, sum of the angles. Now based on that you can find out the x value. First you can add this numerical numbers 92, 90, 88 and minus 6, because 12x is the term it is with variable is equal to 360. You can add this 3 first. 92, 90, 88 you can add, then subtract this minus 6. So this is 10, same 9, 9 and 9. So 27. So this is 270 plus 12x minus 6. 270 minus 6. So 264 plus 12x is 360. So 12x is 360 minus 264. So from 264, okay, from 360 264 you can subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 5 now 15 minus 6, so 9. So 96. Then x value you can find out. 96 divided by 12. Okay, this you can simplify, you'll get the value of x. Then similarly, sum of the 4 angles is equal to 360. That rule you can apply and find out the value of this. Okay, so you need to practice similarly. And based on the properties of the quadrilaterals, like based on the properties of parallelogram, properties of square, rectangle, we have problems again. So that skill you need to improve is parallelogram. So solve for x, each figure is parallelogram. Once perfect the quadrilaterals, then you can start doing this. In a parallelogram, now these opposite sides are equal, right? Sum of the adjacent angles is equals to 180 degrees. So angle Z plus angle Y is equals to 180. Sum of two adjacent angles is equals to 180 in parallelogram. So 85 plus 25x is equals to 180. Even angle W plus angle X is 180. Angle W plus angle Z is 180. Sum of the adjacent. Adjacent means side by side angles like XY or YZ, ZW. Opposite angles are equal, right? Adjacent angles equals to 180. You can apply this property. So 25x is equals to 180 minus 85. So this is 95. Then x is equals to 95 divided by 25. We just simplify this. So 5 times 5. 5 ones are 5, 19. So 19 divided by 5. You can write in mixed fraction or decimals. That's the value of the x. Sum of the adjacent angles equal to 180 property applied in this. Similarly, based on every type of quadrilateral, I am giving the worksheets in this. So this is the 11th page. So some pages, question, page number 9, 8 also I am giving some worksheets you can practice. Next important skill you need to improve in this trapeziums is find the length of the median of each trapezoid. So W, X, Y, V. So this is trapezium. Opposite sides are parallel. We need to find out G and H are the midpoints. One property I'll explain here. In any triangle, if you join midpoint of two sides, midpoint theorem, if you join midpoint of two sides which is parallel to the third side and which is exactly half of the opposite side. For example, if it is 10 centimeters, this is exactly only 5 centimeters. So if you join midpoint of any two sides of a triangle which is parallel to the third side and it's exactly by half of the opposite side. That means if it is 10, this is 5. Same logic you apply if you join on diagonal. Now this is 18.5, right? So this is exactly half of that because these two are the midpoints. Joining, so because parallel to this. 18.5 means till G to H is 18.5 divided by 2, half of this. 18.5 by 2 is this. Next, same way here. WX is exactly, so this is half you can make, this equal to this. Now this value is 10.9 divided by 2. So you apply this. That means just half of the 18.5 plus half of the 10.9 you can add, you will get the median. So length from G to H is equals to 18.5 divided by 2 plus 10.9 divided by 2. So 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 I have to common 18.5 plus 10.9. 18.5, 10.9, you can add it. So 14, 9, 29. 29.4 divided by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, 4, 14.7. Right? 14.7 is the value of this. So you can use the median of this. For example, instead of doing this lengthy, you can do directly. 70 is one parallel, this is 70 and this is 20, right? If you want distance from VU is equals to half of that. That is 70 divided by 2 plus 20 divided by 2. This is 35 plus 10. So 45. Simple. So this property can apply only two questions I am giving. Remaining all the problems you can practice on the worksheets. Even page number 12 also I am giving some solve X problems. So all the important skills you need to practice to do perfect in this quadrilaterals. So once you perfect all the basic skills, then you can do all the type of numerical problems in these quadrilaterals based on these properties.